Now, the next thing I would like us to do is, if you come back to our project, right, our architecture right here, you will notice that we are going to be using we are going to be needing S3 buckets. Okay, so we are going to be creating different folders in our S3 buckets right here. Let us do that first of all, guys, before we go ahead and start creating Airflow task. Okay, this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this process. This is a very fantastic project. So I will come right here to my AWS. I have S3 right here. In my own case, I already added it in my favorites. If you have not added it, I will encourage you to do that. I've showed you how to do that from at the beginning of this video. So I will just come right here and I will right click. If you don't know, if you don't have yours there, just say S3. Just type S3. Okay, so just come right here and just click to go to a new tab. Okay, so I would have that right here. Very good. Now I want to create a bucket. Now, what name do I want to give my bucket? I'm going to give it this name: redfin-data-project-yml. Remember, your bucket name needs to be unique globally. You can see bucket name must be unique within the global space. So that means that you cannot use the same bucket name I've used right here. So what you can just do is, maybe you can just put your initial right here, okay, just to make it, you know, unique as well. Okay, and you cannot use underscore. You cannot use underscore. It has to be dash, because if you look at it now, if I say underscore, let's see what happens. I think if I want to provision it, it's not going to go through. You can also try that. Okay, but I don't want to do that right now, not to waste too much time. But then also you need to make sure that it is in the region that you want. You can see this says North Virginia, but I don't want this because my EC2 is in US West. I want my S3 also to be US West. So I will just come right here. I will select US West. Okay, very good. And then every other thing should be the same. So let me scroll down. Every other thing looks good. Everything looks good. Then I will say create bucket. This will take 1 or 2 seconds. You can see right here it has created the bucket for me. Redfin data project YML. Okay, I will close this. Very good. Now I will click this. Now there are different folders I want to create in this S3 bucket. Okay, now remember that in our architecture, if we extract data from Redfin, we want to save that data in our raw folder or raw S3 bucket. Okay, so in that case, inside this S3 bucket that we are using for our project, let us create a folder. To create folder, what do? Just come to here, just say create folder. Okay, and then I'll just give it this name right here. I'll give it this folder name. Okay, store raw data YML. Okay, and then I'll just leave everything the way they are. I will say create folder. You can see I have the folder. I also want to create a folder where I'm going to be saving my transformed data. Okay, so I will say create folder. I will do the same thing, put it right there. Okay, the name of the folder doesn't have to be unique. You can use the same name I have right here, or if you want, you can use a different name. Okay, so I will say create folder. Now I've created that folder. Now there is another folder I want to create. I call it scripts. I will say create folder, and then I will put scripts, and then I will say create folder. Now you are going to see me shortly what we're going to use the script for, but essentially there are some scripts that we are going to be running in our EMR cluster. Okay, and we are going to be putting those scripts or those file inside this script folder. Okay, I hope you guys get it now. We are going to be storing our raw data inside this store raw data, okay, folder, the transform data inside this, and then our script inside this. Okay, very good, guys, very good. I hope you guys are getting this, guys. Okay, guys, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead right now and click that subscribe button right now. Okay, we want to grow right now even more than where we are right now. We want to help more people. Help me, okay, to be able to reach more people. We want to get more subscribers. Let us do it, guys. We can do it. Let us do it, guys. Okay,